Hello! Welcome to my Vlogmas! um, there's nothing special about this Vlogmas, I think. So if people are wondering what Vlogmas is, it's Christmas vlog. So this is my one and only Vlogmas, I think. Actually, I was expecting a new camera to arrive, but I think the orders with the couriers right now are very hectic. Like, it takes weeks for your orders to come because of the Christmas season. So the camera hasn't arrived yet. So it's just me and my phone right now. I also forgot to bring my tripod. So I'm sorry for the bad angle. But anyway, I am here in Citadines, Cebu City. The first time I visited here was with my friends. We had our year-end party. Yeah, at around the same time, December. Wow, this is like a full circle moment. And during that time, the Citadines was relatively new, and everything was, polished. And right now, in this vlog, let's see the differences, what has changed over the years with Citadines. And why am I here? Well, actually, I'm here for staycation. I just wanted to have my attention diverted. And I'm actually working remotely. So this is a good opportunity to unwind for a while. And I'm also celebrating a big milestone with my boyfriend today. So yeah, nothing that special, kind of special, but let's see how our day goes with my stay here at Citadines. Enjoy this Vlogmas! Hello guys! So, as you can see, we have the whole pool area to ourselves. Although this is a hectic season, it's December, but nobody's in the pool, so we get it all to ourselves. And as you can see, the beauty of this pool area is the city view. It's not that humid right now. The weather is so-so, and that's good. At least our skin won't get burned when we swim in the pool. So we're gonna have a quick dip here. Just enjoy the afternoon, the rest of the afternoon, before I head back to working remotely and, having dinner later. So this is a really nice view. Nothing has changed in the past visit that I had with Citadines. Nothing much has changed except that they have really comfy beach chairs now. I would call that beach chair or pool chair, poolside chair. And we're currently waiting for the coffee to be served before we head into the pool. So, I tried the coffee and it tastes good. They're using asin tibuok and local coffee grounds. So, kudos to Citadines for this.